Mom, Emma, wake up, my dear children. It is morning. Breakfast is ready. Come to the table.
Good morning, Mom. The food smells nice. Where's Dad? Is he still sleeping?
Yes, your father is still in bed. He came home very late last night. He always comes home late from the office.
Oh no, I am late again! Sorry, everyone. I will eat breakfast very fast.
John, why are you always late? Look at the time. The children need to go to school. I do everything alone every morning. I cook, I wake the children, I pack their bags. You only say sorry.
I am really sorry, Anna. My boss gives me too much work. There are many meetings. I cannot say no to my boss. But I promise tomorrow I will wake up early and help you.
You say this promise every day, John. But nothing changes.
I know, honey.
Have a good day at school, my children. Study hard and listen to your teacher.
Yes, Mom. We love you.
Mom, I am hungry. Why is Dad always late? The food is getting cold.
I know, sweetie. He'll be here soon. Try to eat a little.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, my dear. He is late again. Let us eat without him today.
But why, Mommy? Is he okay?
He's fine, sweetie. We'll see him later.
I'm so sorry I got here so late. There was too much traffic and extra work at the office.
John, this is not fair. Every day you come late. I'm so tired. I can't keep doing this alone.
I know. I'm sorry, honey. Anna, please understand. I am working hard for the family.
I know you are, but it hurts.
I'm sorry. I never meant to.
Just talk to me. But you forgot what really matters.
I know. I will try. I promise.
You always say the same words. I will try. I promise. But every day is the same. No, Tom. I am going to grandmother's house for a few days to rest.
But why, Mom?
I just need some time to rest, sweetheart.
Please don't go, Mommy.
I know it's hard, sweetie.
But Mom, we will miss you.
I will miss you too, my loves. But I need time to think.
Anna? Where are you? Tom, Emma? Hello? Is anyone home?
Dad, Mom went to grandmother's house. She left a note.
What?
She says she needs time.
This doesn't make sense.
Will she come back?
We'll figure it out.
Dad, the food tastes different. Mom's breakfast is always nice.
I am sorry, son. I will learn.
Dad, when is Mom coming back? The house feels empty without her.
I know, sweetie. I miss her too.
It's just so hard.
We'll get through this together. Soon, I hope. Anna, we are here. I am so sorry.
John, I felt very lonely and tired.
I know, my love. I'm here now.
Mom, please come home. We miss your cooking and your stories.
Yes, Mom. Dad is trying, but he is not as good as you.
I will never let you down again. From now on, things will be different.
Okay, let us try again. But remember, we are a family.
Anna, thank you for teaching me this lesson. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you too, John. And I love our beautiful family.
We are happy now.